Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel and happy holidays. Today we're bringing you the ultimate guide to Christmas decor ideas. Whether you're looking for cozy classics, modern elegance, or something uniquely festive, we've got you covered. Let's deck the halls and make your home shine this holiday season. Christmas is all about creating warmth, joy, and a festive atmosphere in your home. Let's explore some creative ways to transform your space this holiday season. Let's start with the heart of the season, the Christmas tree. Whether you go for a traditional look with red and gold ornaments or a modern minimalist theme with white and silver, your tree sets the tone for the rest of your decor. Don't forget the topper, a star, angel, or even a big bow can add the perfect finishing touch. Your fireplace mantle is another focal point for Christmas decor. Use garlands with fairy lights and add stockings for a classic holiday look. Layer in candles or small figurines like reindeer or snowmen to give it personality. Make your living room extra cozy with seasonal accents like Christmas-themed pillows, soft throws, and holiday-scented candles. You can also decorate your coffee table with a festive centerpiece like a bowl of ornaments or a small evergreen arrangement. For your dining table, create a holiday tablescape with festive table runners, charger plates, and elegant napkin rings. Add a centerpiece with candles, pine cones, and fresh greenery to make every meal feel like a celebration. Bring the holiday cheer outdoors with wreaths on your front door, string lights around your home, and even festive inflatables for the yard. A welcoming entryway is a great way to spread Christmas spirit to your neighborhood. Add a personal touch to your decor with DIY projects. Make your own ornaments, create custom gift tags, or display family photos with a holiday twist. These personal elements make your space feel uniquely yours. Get the little ones involved by adding kid-friendly decorations, like a miniature Christmas tree for their room or an advent calendar with fun surprises. It's a great way to include the whole family in the holiday magic. For something different, try a unique theme like rustic woodland with natural wood elements, glam metallics with shimmering gold and silver, or vintage Christmas with retro ornaments and classic color schemes. And there you have it, our top Christmas decor ideas to make your home festive and magical this season. Whether you're hosting a big holiday party or enjoying a quiet family Christmas, these ideas will help you create a space full of joy and warmth. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share your favorite holiday decorating tips in the comments below. Wishing you all a Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays.